Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K4 HE. In this video I'll show you how to set one key multiple commands function. To set one key multiple commands function, firstly let's go to launcher KEYCHRON and HE emote. Go to one key multiple commands and now select starting trigger. Now select bottom in, bottom out, bounce back and more. In the end, submit your choice and it's set. You can select from keys, functions and features of the keyboard. Which means that once you press the key, on pressing downwards and then releasing the button, you will use 4 functions. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.